Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. If you're new, I'm Laura, this is Zena. Wyatt is on this side and he is on Bug Patrol, but I'm sure you will see him at some point during this video. Please hang out with us, hit that subscribe. We do subscription boxes, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. We'd love it if you'd hang out with us. For today, I have a stitch fix for you. So my last stitch fix was pretty good. It was one I did with Linda, and I think I kept 3 out of 5, which is the first time in quite some time. So I do have a relatively new stylist, and I think she's just starting to get to know me. So we will dig right in and see how she did with this collection. Stitch Fix is a styling service. If you are new, you get 5 styles based on your preferences. You do typically get a dedicated stylist, although you can swap them up if you want. $20 styling fee comes off anything that you keep. If you keep all 5, you do get a 25% discount. Otherwise, keep what you love, send back what you don't. And as I said, that $20 styling fee does come off anything that you keep. They do offer a style pass to some members. I don't know at what point you get offered it. It's $49.50, which I chose to do, and then you pay that annually, and you don't pay the $20 styling fee. So if you choose not to keep something, you can just send it all back and get as many fixes as you wish, which I love. And that $49.50 also comes off of anything that you keep from that box in which it is charged, like within that cycle. What else? They do have a style matching game that you can give thumbs up or thumbs down, help your stylist and the algorithm get to know your style. You can also shop their looks and just buy items directly off their site. And yeah, I think they have an inspiration board. You can help your stylist get to know your style to put outfits together as well. All right, right off the bat, I see an envelope in here. This has a bag to return anything I don't love and don't want to keep, notes from my stylist, and my pricing sheet. They're also telling you can start to shop by category now. So if you want to look at all of the available pants in your size, or dresses in your size, or shoes in your size, you can do that now and buy directly from their site. Here's my bundle. I do like the Stitch Fix also sends jewelry if you wish. I tend to opt out of jewelry and accessories, but they also send shoes. No shoes for me this time, but I do look like I have a colorful bundle here. We'll get right into it. And I did ask for summer clothes. I love summer. I'm a summer girl. All about the summer while it's here. All right, so first up, it looks like I have a Margaret and Spruce top. This is a little crossover, kind of like that rolled bottom, longer in the back, shorter in the front. The colors in this are really pretty. It does have a adjustable strap. That's pretty. I like the tans and the pinks. I generally don't like that crossover rolled look, although I do have that on today, so sometimes it does work for me. So we'll see what that looks like on. I'm liking the pattern. Oh, next up I have a Rails top. I actually do really like this. Rails tends to be super expensive, but I think this is a cute little tee in that zebra print. I don't think I've ever gotten a Rails item from them before, because I tend to say just send me the least expensive items that you think I would like. So this is interesting, but very pretty. Next I have something from Kaileigh. Oh, this is a dress. Wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. And these purple and pinks. Little crossover at the top. More of a swing style at the bottom. Then I have a pair of embroidered shorts by Margaret M. It says slimming pant. Check out the stitching through that. It's a cute little black short. And I have a second pair of shorts here. So she made me 2. Basically I have 3 outfits here. She matched the tops to the shorts. These are a cute little pair from Cut that pull right on in this pink color. We have the patch pockets in the front and in the back. Those are cute. I think are these, what's the fabric of these? I These are in a berry color, it says, and these are 50% linen, 48% rayon, and 2% spandex. I was thinking they were linen. All right, that's everything. Let's see what my stylist had to say. And this is fix number 92. You always do get styling ideas to wear your items. And my stylist is Julia, and she said, happy fix day. I'm so happy to see that you were able to find some keepers in your last fix and excited to style you again this month. I saw your request, and unfortunately I wasn't able to find the perfect sandals for you, but I'll continue to keep an eye out for a chic, minimalistic pair for your future fixes. I also wasn't able to find any suitable rompers or jumpsuits either, but I did start you off with a fabulous sleeveless knit dress by Kaileigh. I thought the colors would be perfect for you, and the faux wrap style drapes beautifully. Since you love the color of the shorts in your last fix, I couldn't resist sending you a breezy linen pair in a similar color along with a black pair by Margaret M that are easy to dress up or down. I also added 2 tops to pair with them. All right, let's see how she did. Okay, first outfit is the dress. This is by Kaileigh. It's got a nice fit at the top. I don't have to worry, there's no modesty snap, but I don't need to worry about it. It's not going to come loose. It fits really great, bra friendly, nice length. Wind's blowing, but I'm not worried about that either. The colors are really pretty. What do you think of this one? Here's a closer look at the print. It fits perfectly. I'm wondering if I would reach for it. It has great movement. The material is perfect. It's a nice knit. It would pack really, really well. Let me get my pricing sheet here. This is called the Holt Brushed Knit Dress in light purple, and the price is $54. So not a bad price. Very, very pretty. Okay, next outfit. Now I have on the rails tee and the black shorts, no pockets in the front, a faux pocket in the back. So I really do like the shorts are pull-on style. They're nice and wide and stretchy at the thickest part of your leg. A nice basic black short. I like the pull-on style. Love the tee by Rails. Rails is a great premium brand. I know this is going to be pricey. Feels amazing on. Love the print. Yeah, it's a great basic, pretty tee. Here's a closer look. I did a front tuck. Here's what it looks like out so you can see the length. All right, the prices for these. The Rails Cara Knit Tee, $88, not surprised. The Margaret M Leah Printed Texture Short, $68. All right, I do like both of these. Let's do another outfit. We have the last one more. Okay, final outfit. The cut shorts and the little crossover kind of rolled bottom top. This is stitched here. This isn't a modesty snap, it's actually stitched. Love the top of this, but I don't love the bottom. So the bottom is longer in the back. It looks like it's like a faux front tuck or something. But lots of extra fabric, has this crossover, and like I feel like it's way too long in the back or something. I don't know. I'm not loving this fit, but I do like the colors and pattern. I think it's pretty. Let me know what you think. The shorts I do love. These were a fantastic slip-on short, pockets in the front. They have the flat pockets in the back, and the drawstring waist. They feel amazing on. I do love the shorts. I can see me reaching for these. They are very, very soft, very, very comfortable. let's see here. Lots of noises outside today. The Cut from the Kloth Tessa Smocked Band linen short in fuchsia, $58. And then the Margaret and Spruce Max Surplice top is $38. All right. Let's do a quick wrap up and see where we are. Okay, so overall, I thought this was a really great box. However, I don't think I'm going to keep everything. If I did, $306 for everything, $76.50 would be 25% off. My total would be $229.50. And remember, I don't pay the styling fee, so that would be the total. Let's run through them quickly here. I loved these shorts. I love these, comfy, easy wear, great for the summer. I did not love the style of this. I just didn't like it. I don't know, something about it, didn't like. I did love the t-shirt, but I feel like it's a high price, but I would love to keep it. I like the black shorts. I don't know if I need my own other black shorts that are similar. And I like the dress, but I also feel like I own similar, so I'm not sure that I want to keep this one either, although I thought the colors were gorgeous. Love the fit. It's an easy wear dress, so totally up my alley, so she did a great job with this one. So I don't know. I will list all these items down below in case you want to request anything from your stylist, because I do think she did fabulous picks. I could keep all of them and be really happy, except for this one. I don't think I would ever probably wear. Everything else I probably would. So as of right now, the two that are standing out to me are these two. I can even wear them together, but I do feel this one's pricey, so I'm not sure if I would keep it. And the cut shorts were $58 and the rails $88. So I don't know what I'm going to do, to be honest. It's a tough one for me. So please do comment down below. Let me know what you think stood out to you and what you think I should keep. I will put my link to Stitch Fix down below in case you want to give it a try, because I believe my link is still good for $50 off your first box if you want to sign up right now. And I'll get $50 towards my next box if you use my link. Typically it's $25 towards your first box, but I'm pretty sure my $50 link is still working. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Can't wait to read your comments and hear which ones you thought were the standouts in this collection. I do think Julia did a great job, and I'm so glad to see the summer style still coming. All right, until next time, please do hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more. Would love you to hang out and hit that subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.